Hello my people, in this video we will see how to have Amazon Prime on two devices. The first and the most important pass is go to search this in Google. Well, the for we have all this information. For example, to have Amazon Prime on two devices, simply log in with the same Amazon account credential on both device Prime Video apps. Prime allows to three concurrent streams for different titles or two for the same title, enable simultaneous viewing, for family sharing. Use Amazon Household to link account. And here steps to register a second device. Step 1. Install and open. Obviously, install the Prime Video app on the new device. For example, your computer or your TV. Step 2. Singing. Select Singing and start watching to get a 6-character code. Step 3. Register. Go to this link, on a computer, phone, and enter the code and login. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very important points. Streams. You can watch up to 3 different videos at the same time or 2 or the same video. Downloads. You can download content on a maximum of 2 devices at a time. Profiles. You can create up to 6 different profiles, including kit profiles for personalized watch list. Management. To remove a device, go to the Prime Video account and settings page. And finally, limits. Some plans, like Prime Video Mobile Edition, are restricted to one mobile device. And well, that's all. If you like the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.